Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going over how to cut cards. Let's get into it. To cut playing cards on a table, you simply take a packet from the top and then replace the packet that was underneath on top of that. You can even get a little fancy and do multiple packets to mix up the cards a little bit more. The main reason why magicians cut cards is because it doesn't really disturb the order of the cards. Pay attention to these three cards for this example. We put them on top of the deck, and we cut the deck, and we could cut it as many times as we want to. But regardless of how many times we cut it, those three cards are going to stay right next to each other.
Wow.
That's because cutting cards doesn't change the order of the cards at all. It just changes where that order starts and stops. The only time when cutting cards actually does mix up the order is when you take multiple packets and you actually cut them. There are times though when you can take multiple packets and make it seem like you're really cutting, but in reality, you're just putting everything back in the same order. I'll be making some more tutorials in the future, so remember to subscribe so that way you don't miss out. Now let's finish going over how to cut cards. One of the major reasons why magicians want to keep the order of the cards the exact same is the key card method, which I will be going over in a later video. Now that we've covered table cuts, let's get into cutting with the cards in your hand. This is just as simple as a table cut. You just take the cards from the top, put them on the bottom. There are several different variations of how to do this, such as the swing cut and the swivel cut, but the most simple one is what I just showed. You take cards from the top and put them on the bottom. I'll go over stuff like the swing cut and the swivel cut in greater detail in a later video. In some future videos, I'll go over how to do some false cuts, such as this. If you enjoyed, remember to like and subscribe so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll see you next time.